Hi, my name is Sherry McCrae, and I'm going to do a demonstration of week eight's coding assignment. For the front end software development course, the assignment was to create styles for last week's assignment, which was a website that we did. On the right side of the page, you'll see the website that I did. It's got a main menu with 3 pages, a home page, right? It looks like this. Programs page looks like this, and contact page looks like that. So the way I've styled it is last week when I did this, I did all the layout with tables, and this week I removed all the tables and used divs and style sheets to do it, which I think is the more proper way to do it. So the index.html page is the first page, and all 3 pages, if you can look here, are divided into a right side and a left side with a div class content and then 2 divs within it. As you can see on contact, we do the same thing on each 3 of the 3 pages. And here's the programs page, just a left side and a right side for each page. Now, also common to all 3 pages is some JavaScript that I've imported to create the header, the banner, and the main menu. And that's all inside this menu.js file. The banner is at the top highlighted here. There's an H1 with a class header for the page, the website name, and then a div defining the main menu with 3 items. So if we go to index.html, we can see that we've included that JavaScript here. And we've got a style sheet linked here called week8.css. Let's take a look at that. In week8.css, at the top of the page, we've got some styles defined for page elements. After that, we've got some styles defined for classes. And then at the bottom of the page, we've got some styles defined for element through their ID. If we look at the section where the styles are defined for classes, we've got a section here for the these are all used at the page header in the JavaScript we just looked at. They format the banner, the main menu, and the header. And then I've sectioned this part off. It's the styles for the page content, the left and right side of each page. And then on the contact page, we've got a form, and these classes here are used for the form on the contact page. And then, as I said before, these are for elements using their ID, and they happen to all be on the form as well for the data that's entered and the submit button. Let's see, if we look at the contact page, we can see this is the form. You can see that the classes are attached to the divs as described before. And let's take a look at the programs page. Programs page has a unordered list with 3 items, and these are all formatted too within our week8.css file. Let's take a look at that. The very top where we do styles by tags, we've got the unordered list style defined and the line item defined there. If we take a look at the way the page works, and we take a look at the CSS, if we look at the form, for example, let's see, we can see that we've got a style defined for every element. The H3 element here is defined in week8.css file here. The form element is defined, its style is defined through contact form in week8.css, and so on. And that's the whole thing.